Hi friends, welcome back. In this particular chapter, we are going to see how we can pass the parameters to our test cases. This is one of the very important topic because we used to pass a lot of test data while doing our automation. Yes. See, there are two, three ways you can pass your test data. So we'll see all. You can pass normal string integers. Okay, you can pass the null empty strings. You can pass the CSV through CSV file as well, and we'll see also how we can pass through the enums. So there are a lot of approaches. We'll see each and every one one by one. Okay, let's start with the first approach. So this is the basic approach. Like if we want to pass few strings and all so you need to first of all you need to write parameterized test, okay, not at the rate test, which is the basic one. You need to write parameterized test if you are passing something, and then you need to define the value, what values you want to pass. So here I want to pass the strings, so that's why I have specified three strings here. All the strings will get collected here and it will be passed one by one to this test case. So this test case will get executed three times because we are passing three times. So if you see in the results, count is 6. So basically I'm running these two test cases together. So three test cases will come from here and three will be counted from this particular test. So this is the string how we are passing here. And similarly, similar to the string, just we need to update here ints and we need to remove the double quotes, and we are passing here the integers 1, 2, 3. And these integers will get collected here and I'm just printing them, and I'm just putting an assertion that these should be greater than 0 and less than 4, right? Simple. So let me run once again and see here I am printing the integers 1, 2, 3, and I'm passing these three strings and I'm just printing them here. Okay, so this is about passing strings and ints. So let me show you another thing. Here what we are doing, we are passing four parameters here: space, some more spaces, this is a tab, and this is a new line. Okay, and moreover I am passing two more things. I am passing the null source. In few cases we need to pass the null. Okay, so it's not possible to write here null like this. It will be treated as a string. So to pass a null, you need to write at the rate null source. Okay, and to pass the empty source. Okay, so there's a difference between empty and null and space. So empty is there is nothing, and but it's not null as well. Okay, and there is no space as well. So that is a empty. So I am passing here null source. I am passing here empty. So these are the two source data source I am passing, and these are the four parameters. Okay, so that altogether I am passing six parameters here: one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, let me run this test case and let's analyze the result. See, first of all, I'm passing the null. Ignore the brackets. I just added the brackets so that we can see what text exactly is passing here. That's why I'm putting the arrow bracket. So first time I'm passing the null. After that, this is the empty. You can see the difference between empty and space, right? This is empty, this is space here. And this is the third parameter, space, this one. And this is with more spaces is this one. And this is the tab. You can see this is the tab space, and this is the new line. That's why they are in a different line. So we are passing six parameters here, and you can see in the runs also we are passing six results. Here we are passing null, empty, and rest four parameters. Okay, let me show you another one. So this one is again similar to the above one. They are exactly same. Just the only difference is here we have added two different annotation, null and empty separately, but here you can combine them and it will be null and empty source. So the result will be exactly the same, just we have combined the annotation. So if you want both kind of things, so you can use this. If you want any particular, so you can use individual as well. So exactly the output will remain same. So fine. So I think we have seen how we have passed the strings, integers, and some special data like null and empty in this. And the next we'll see other type of data like enums and CSV. Thank you, friends. Thanks for learning. Bye bye. Have a good day.